Right there. All right, I'm done.
This here. Right this here. Cross thing.
Oh no.
It's
Teetering. Great. Okay, this is how you survive a zombie apocalypse. Can't really see what you're doing. It's harder on horseback. Your horse gets in the way.
She might survive.
Not doing so hot. Zombie apocalypse boot camp.
Yikes.
okay, Ninja.
Hi.
How about it? It's different.
On Facebook?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
I like that grouping.
There we go.
Nice. Good.
That's more like it.
I could drive the motorcycle off the town.
Yeah. Next.
Oh, yeah.
Lori, smile. Oh, you're done? Oh.
Ugh, that was a dud.
Yeah, we can come back tomorrow.
This is the only good one. This one. This is okay. The rest are all kind of around. It's a very fat, slow zombie. I'll be good. I need a very fat, very slow zombie. Yay.
Wow. They went in that deep? Wow. I should have shown this one. What did I do? What'd you say?
I got it. You're welcome, man.